So is same-sex marriage in jeopardy? A petition filed in Kentucky is asking the U.S. Supreme Court to consider overturning the landmark decision that gave couples the legal right to marry. The petition being brought by Kim Davis, a former county clerk who refused to issue a marriage license to a gay couple 10 years ago. NBC Bay Area's Goss joins us now. And Emma, you talked to some Bay Area attorneys about constitutional questions with this.
That's right, Jessica. And this is Kim Davis's second time appealing to the Supreme Court's decision in the case of Obergefell v. Hodges. And her petition back in 2019 was rejected. The attorneys I spoke with are confident the Supreme Court will avoid addressing the constitutional question of same-sex marriage, but they could still take up the case as a question of religious freedom.
10 years ago, Kentucky County Clerk Kim Davis went to jail for 6 days and was ordered by a judge to pay more than $350,000 in damages and legal fees after she refused to issue a marriage license to a same-sex couple on religious grounds. Now Davis is appealing to the Supreme Court for a review, citing violations to her religious freedom. San Francisco-based attorney Shannon Minter was on the legal team a decade ago for Obergefell v. Hodges.
Where she refused to issue a marriage license to a same-sex couple. And, you know, a county clerk, any clerk, can't do that just the same way they couldn't refuse to issue a marriage license to an interracial couple or an interfaith couple. I mean, you can understand that our system just wouldn't work if government officials could pick and choose who they're going to issue licenses to.
Even with a more conservative set of justices on the Supreme Court this time around, Minter doubts the justices are interested in revisiting the question of same-sex marriage.
They could take the case without addressing that question.
The attorney that represented the now married Kentucky couple that sued Davis for damages said his team is confident the Supreme Court, like the Court of Appeals, will conclude that Davis's arguments do not merit further attention, adding marriage equality is settled law.
Our love is here to stay. Our marriages are here to stay.
San Francisco couples Stuart Gaffney and John Lewis were plaintiffs in California's marriage equality case 21 years ago. They believe Davis's petition is an open and shut case.
She has to be responsible for her actions.
Davis's petition will likely be formally considered by the court in the fall, and if it's accepted, it wouldn't be scheduled for oral argument until at least spring of next year. Jessica?
All right, thank you very much, Emma.